This exercise works your glutes. Start with your right knee and your hands on a bench. Put your hands directly under your shoulders. Kick your left leg back until it's parallel to the floor. Return and repeat. Your toes should point toward the floor. Keep your back flat. Keep your abs tight. Exhale when lifting your leg, and inhale when lowering it.